med deres 30-års jubilæumsshow. Vores mest biceps-tunge og mandeglade reporter Katrine Krone var ude og møde et par af herrerne midt mellem mus og mavebøjninger.
En garvet og en grøn Chippendale stiller sig til rådighed. Jeg vil vide, hvad de kan lære den danske mand.
I think just confidence. Like, you are the man, so take control of the situation. But then again, you have to be somewhat compassionate and listen to your girl. Find out what her feelings are so you know, and then you can just tell her what to do, and it's already what she told you.
Men lad os gøre snakken mere konkret.
I brought a little selection of the highlights in Danish men.
Vi danskere kender dem jo alt for godt. Men har Bjarne, Frede, Lars og Sydney kvindetække i eksperternes øjne? Vi tager dem fra en ende af.
Bjarne is very fond of teamwork. Does he have potential?
He looks like he's definitely in control. He looks like, to me, he looks like he owns a business.
Yeah, he looks very confident. Maybe a little old, but besides the fact, yeah, he looks great.
Can Bjarne please a woman, you think?
Oh, absolutely.
Frederick here on the right, from very good family.
He looks like he had a good upbringing. You know, he's happy in front of those people. You know, he's confident.
Haircut?
It's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't have it, but...
Okay, then we have Lars. Lars is fond of beer, cycling, and he's a family man.
He looks a little timid. He looks like he's uncomfortable here in front of the camera.
Like that. He looks like he'd probably be a great family man. I don't know if he's definitely out about the town, trying to pick up about a lot of ladies.
Så vidt altså statsministeren.
And then, finally, Sydney, the man who likes self-tanning lotion and wrestling.
You know, Sydney, he's got his own thing going on, and he's proud of it. He's ready to rock it.
Og så til konklusionen.
Who has the most potential?
First, I'd go with Frederick.
Gonna go with this guy. He's confident. He's a man. He's in control of the situation.
Og inden vi afslører de danske identiteter, så skal vi da lige se lidt mere hud. Så er vi klar.
Here we have the Crown Prince of Denmark.
Wow, hey, I was on it.
He's like the Danish version of a Navy SEAL or...
Manly man there, takes control, definitely.
This is our Prime Minister.
Wow. I hope he's not going to kick our ass.
It's Kevin's brother, right?
Is that your best guess?
I think an actor and musician.
Or a comedian.
Comedian?
Maybe.
Og så har jeg her i studiet fået besøg af et par af pragteksemplarerne. Good evening, Kenneth, Stacey and Billy.
Good evening.
You're not here for the first time. How do you like Copenhagen? Is it okay to be back?
Feels great.
Absolutely.
One of my favorite cities, for sure.
You're supposed to say that, otherwise...
It's been too
long.
yeah.
I was supposed to say I will kick your ass, but I won't even think about it. Okay, you know how to do with girls and stuff like that. How could I improve my natural Danish charm? What's the best thing to do?
You know, we've been watching you, and it sounds like you've already kind of got your charm down. I mean, the first thing is you got to be positive. You have to have a great personality to be a Chippendale. It's not all about looks. So you've got the smile down, you're dressing clean. We're halfway there.
Okay.
Then you've got the swagger. So
Exactly. What is it? What's that? The
swagger. It's your groove.
I'm going with the Chippendale thing.
Yeah.
I'll just make a little translation. Det, som de fortæller gutterne her, det er, at de selvfølgelig er enormt glade for at være i København. Det skal de sige. De fortæller også, at det ikke altid om bare at se godt ud. Det gælder også om at have lidt selvtillid, lidt smil og så videre, og lidt charme. You have this six-pack, all three of you. I'm going more like a one-pack. How's that?
That's a keg.
I'll get around with that one.
That's probably what we need to work on. We need to work on, you know, get in the gym a little bit, you know, in the fitness center.
Yeah.
But other than that, everything's on track. You're on track.
Stacey, how much time do you use in the center to get a body like that?
I try at least like hour and a half a day.
Okay. Så det gutterne fortæller, det er omkring en time, minimum en time til halvanden for at få den her krop, som de har her. Where you are, you're not having a show tonight.
Not tonight, no.
A lot of Danish girls would like to know, where are you guys tonight?
We're going to be all over. We're starting out at the Hard Rock for dinner.
Yeah.
And then from there, we'll see what happens.
Okay, Hard Rock for dinner at Tivoli. That's it.
Yeah.
Piger, det her, det fortæller her, det er, altså i aften har deres ferieaften, de starter på en café, der ligger lige hernede i Tivoli. Hvis man er hurtig og er til den slags, så kan man jo så selvfølgelig gøre det. guys, you have one show tomorrow here in Copenhagen, and the next show is where? In Odense, I think, isn't it?
We go to, yeah,
And you were in Horsens the other day.
yeah, first show.
Mhm.
The first show.
Great. Enjoy your stay in
Thank
Copenhagen.
you so
and
much.
don't even think
Nice to meet
about
you.
stealing some of our girls. Okay?
Just for one night. Just for one
Okay,
night.
just one night.